Hello and welcome to ArcGIS Special. So, quick one. We're going to be looking at how to label future on ArcGIS Pro. Alright, so this video is intended to be very short. Alright, so stay tuned. So, once you come into the environment, you go into where to import, where your folder of your work is. So, I have this here, so I'm just going to drag it and drop. So, this is what I want to label. Alright, so to label this, you right click just this and then you click on label. Now when you click label, what you see is just the country Nigeria in all the 36 states. Yes, because each of the attribute table has Nigeria as the country, and then the other field that has the name of those various states and also a field with local government. So the default one it pick is that of the Nigeria. So to change it to the right thing we're trying to do, you right click on this again and you come to labeling properties. So on the labeling properties, so the name one is the name with Nigeria. So what we'll do is we'll delete all of this first and then double click on this for it to appear here. And then we'll click on this. Yeah, so click on apply. So once we apply, you see that the whole country has its name appearing here. So these are all 36 states and they are in the country with FCT making 37. So basically this is how you can label on ArcGIS Pro. So before I conclude, you can come to symbols and you want to make anything you're making here is in reference to the labeling. All right, so under symbols is where you want it, whether it's going to be bold, what fonts type. All right, so basically you can make those adjustments here, and you all of these outline and all that you want it to have outline. So basically these are you can do all of that here. Now on position, on position, so it's bold now because I didn't say that right. So on position, you want to know where it is horizontal in polygon, straight in polygon, curve in polygon. So you make a choice of based on what they say curve around polygon. So now but basically this is mainly used majorly for rivers. All right, so wherever you make that adjustment, you see it. All right, so we have curve in polygon and all that. So it's just making it somehow like that. But anything that you want to know, this is basically that kind of what you're going to use position for. So you can say try this first, and now like try this first, try horizontal position first, then if it not do, use vertical. So all of that is what you do with position. So basically this is how you're going to label, and this is how you're going to do it in ArcGIS Pro. So thank you for watching. If this interests you, don't forget to like, share, comment, and refer someone to this channel. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.